Hello again. Well, a couple of weeks ago I sown a whole bunch of sunflowers, and wouldn't you just know it, the very next day Nick came out with his sunflower challenge, and he said that he would like to see us sowing our sunflowers. But that's okay, we all know Nick, and I think as long as we show a seedling or two, he'll be quite happy with that. But I do have to sow some more, and I am going to get on board with the challenge. The types of sunflowers that I'm going to grow are going to be large seeded tall, and I'm thinking that the clue is probably in the name. Velvet Queen, which is a multi-headed variety, and it grows to about 5 feet. And Lemon Queen, and that's a branching type. Now each branch can supposedly grow multiple heads, so this could be my best bet in the category for the sunflower with the most heads. I'm also growing large Russian, and that was a bit of a mistake because I thought I was buying Russian mammoths. Hopefully though they're the same thing. And finally a variety called Kong. I grew Kong sunflowers in the side yard many years ago, before I stuck the raised beds in. Well, that's another 36 sunflowers on top of the 20 that I've already sown and the 32 that I've already sown, which makes a total of 88 sunflowers. I tell you what, wouldn't it be nice if I could get over 100 sunflowers going in the garden? Yeah, that would be very nice. It's been about a week now since I started this video. I've been that bloody busy I haven't had the chance to finish it. During that time, the seeds that I sown about 3 weeks ago have all sprouted, and I've had some excellent germination. I always like the way that the pull of the sunflower sticks to its seed leaves. Yeah, that's neat, I like that. Anyway, I'd like to wish the best of luck to everybody that's entering this year, and I am officially in. Cheers. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button or subscribe.